Another incredible 5-second salad, pretty much. Here you go. Hello again. This evening we are going to make a sweet chilli carrot salad. Really, really simple. Everything gets thrown in the bowl together. So we've got 4 large carrots, about 350 grams. In they go. 20 grams of olive oil, which I've measured, and 5 grams, which is a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. In we go. 30 grams of sweet chilli dipping sauce. I've got my own sweet chilli jam here that I made in January. So I'm just going to add that, bring the scales up on my machine, and 30 grams. Little bit over. Never mind. Pinch of salt, grinding of pepper, and the recipe says all the ingredients chopped for 7 seconds while stirring.
But your parsley.
Huh?
Parsley.
Oh, parsley. Thank you. Parsley. Thank goodness you're there, Sanders. So in goes the spatula, and I'm going to stir. You throw that and use this anti-clockwise while the machine's turning to keep the carrots in the bowl. So here we go. 7 seconds, speed 4. Here we go. And I'm just going to give it another couple because we've got a big piece there. But it smells delicious. Right. Speed 7. There we go. Let me just grab the bowl. A nicely chopped carrot salad with parsley, vinegar and sweet chilli. Night night. Thank you, as ever, for watching. Good night.